Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Design and the Free Landscapes blog. So I thought I'd do another day in the life. I'm actually home about to leave. I have a turf rebate design appointment today, which means I'll also be measuring the site and possibly working on the design today. So I thought I'd kind of take you along with me. Now I'm not going to videotape the actual design appointment because client privacy reasons, but anyway, before I turn this camera around, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Anyway, let's go about my day. And this is a Thursday, March March something. I'll figure that out. Okay, so I just finished meeting with the client, but for privacy reasons, I didn't want to show you that. But so this is the project that I'm designing for the turf rebate. And I'm about to start taking measurements. So what I do is, hold on, let me show you. I draw on my, you can't. I'm gonna go to a shady area where I could actually show you. Because it's like, there we go. So I drew out on my tablet using this pen where all the doors and windows are, and then I use a measuring tape to measure and write on here directly. And the idea behind this project is we're keeping the driveway for budget reasons. And then we're going to put a path to the street from the front door, create a dry riverbed somewhere, meandering paths throughout the garden, a path from that side gate over there to the front because of the trash cans. So yeah, so what I do, hold on. I basically use this 35-foot measuring tape to do most of my measurements. I mean, it's super easy. I don't think I need to actually demonstrate, but yeah, so I'm gonna get to that. All right, hopefully you can see this. Apologies for the light. But basically what I do is after I've drawn everything out, and when I take measurements, I write everything in black except for the measurements that I write in red. And I have like my own acronyms that I use. So like BW means block wall, W means wall, GD means garage door. Anyway, so then I know what the measurements are. And the reason why I do everything on my tablet as opposed to like a pen and paper is because I have this exact Microsoft OneNote app on my phone and my laptop, so I can have access to these measurements whenever. So yeah. And now it's time to go to my coffee shop office and actually draw the site plan, which I'll show you once I get there. Okay, so here we are. I have my tablet pulled up here. I have AutoCAD pulled up here, and I'm going to start drawing, and I'll show you once I've drawn it. I don't have a tripod with me to hold the camera and whatnot, so we're going to make this work somehow. Okay, so this spot became available. I snagged it. It's my favorite spot to sit at this coffee shop, and it's the closest spot that I like to a plug-ish. Alright. Okay, so here's the plan. This is the driveway, front door right there, side gate door right there. There needs to be a path from the front door to the street, from the side gate to the street for the trash cans. The client wanted a meandering path throughout the garden with California native plants. And there's also, as a sustainability feature, going to be a dry riverbed. And so yeah, I'm gonna start working on this, which I could probably finish today if I really work hard enough. Okay, so the design is done. I'm not going to show you the bottom part because it's got the client's address and information, and for privacy reasons I won't show you that. But as you know, or if you don't know, I do turf rebate designs through the Plant Nerd, and I use their title block and prepare the drawings the way they do it. So this is meant to be a soft set flagstone path going throughout the garden, so that you can get from the front door to the driveway, from the front door to the street, from the side gate to the street for the trash can access, from the front door to the side gate, etc. The sustainability feature here is the dry riverbed and the plant stored California native, as per what the client wanted, with some Encilia californica, apricot mallow, coyote mint, Siskiyou blue fescue, and a sage, etc. But yeah, there it is. And then the idea here is, shoot, you can't tell very well, but there are, like, within this area and other areas, existing rocks that I propose to be reused. But yeah, so there it is. Now I have to submit this to the Plant Nerd for them to review it, for them then to submit it to the Water District for review, and then I can present it to the client.